today we're installing f30 mirror caps. So let's get right to it. All right, so first step is you need one of these tools right here. You're just gonna pull this mirror out right here. Just like that. All right, then next step is you need to move these little pins out right here, and then these just basically close in just like that. So you one down, up, and then from up here you're gonna pry. So it takes 2 hands. So I'm gonna do it real quick. The easiest way is if you get this tool right here and you go like up and down and you push just like that. So you push it out, and then this pushes this out right here. We'll do that right on the next one right here. In, grab the next one and push it out right there. Try and show you from here. Ready? Oh, and that one just popped out just like that. So you go in, out, and then push both of them out on there all together. Now with your aftermarket mirror cap, you're just gonna put them right back in the same hole. If you want, you know, you can clean it up behind there. But you just throw this back right in there, and you just hold it right here. Just clip it right in, just like that. Should look something like this right there. All right, now last step is just throwing this right back in. You just use your whole palm of your hand and just hold this and just put that right back in there. And that's how you guys install an f30 328i mirror cap.